happy. It started. We replaced a 10 amp fuse and the truck just fired up like nothing. I got the, yes, it works. One 10 amp fuse, one 10 amp fuse. The door lock fuse, unlock the truck, bam, almost a year we've been trying. Oh my gosh. The truck starts. Oh, I want to go for a drive. We got to go for a drive. Oh, this is so awesome.
It's a lot easier than changing it.
If your door lock fuse ever goes out, your truck won't start. That was the problem. Holy shit, I'm so happy, you guys. I can't believe you guys, one 10 amp fuse. That bad boy right there. I'm shaking, holy crap. For the door locks. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The door lock, power door locks caused the truck to not start. Look at this, they work now. Oh my gosh, well I guess the truck's running so it won't lock itself. I'm so excited. I was so depressed about this thing. I thought I just lost like 11 grand because it's one start, but one fuse and it starts. Here we do have one light on. We have the airbag light, so don't know what that's about, but I guess we'll plug in the Smarty and we'll see what we can do on it. But this is crazy. Oh, so happy. Now that the truck's been running, I've been working fast trying to get everything done. I just put a brand new headlight in over here. We need to get the fog lights connected for right there because that got sheared off in the accident. This is actually for the other side. I need to go get a new light bulb here because it won't pass inspection, I don't think. I mean, all the lights have to work, horn has to work, and a bunch of other stuff. So I need to get that new light and come back here. Need to get this new light because those lights don't work. Zach's in there working on his Power Stroke, putting a whole intake system in. Having to cut something right now, but getting all these little panels back on inside. I need to, actually I'm taking apart this door because this door, of course, doesn't work, typical. And so yeah, we're just trying to get things all buttoned up. I'm gonna throw on the sport bumper I got for it, you guys. Throw on the rear bumper, and then we're gonna go try to get this thing inspected. Also still need to put on my sway bar end links there. I got new ones sitting inside the truck. Need to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to run down O'Reilly's, get some bulbs real fast. And soon we should be able to drive this thing. We'll get the bumper on. I have a new AC condenser. We'll get that later. Don't need AC right now. All that on a Power Stroke. He's taking off. Freaking crazy stuff. Let's get back to the Cummins. We've been getting everything put together. I got brand new headlights in there already. All the bulbs work on the truck, so it's got turn signals, got everything. So we got to pass the level 3 inspection in Arizona to get this thing back on the road and get the salvage title turned into a rebuilt title. Right now we're going to take these wheels and tires off, replace those end links, and then I got brand new boots because there was a boost leak on this boot on the back here, which is right there, so good to replace that. Got this end link on this side. I also greased up all the little joints up in here. Just put a brand new boot on this side also. Up here on the top side, so got brand new boots. Actually got those cheap off Amazon for like only 90 bucks. Got this side over here taken off. It actually has a boost elbow on it already. We just tried to put one on and it actually already had one. So it's got a boost elbow, and we're going to do a boost leak test, make sure it's holding good. And I didn't replace these sides even though it came with 4. I just kind of too lazy right now. I'm going to put this fender liner back in and put this tire on, and this side should be all done. Look at the new control arms, all the new little pieces. So let's boost leak test it. Well, those cheap Amazon boots, they're good up here, but on the bottom, these clamps are too big. Look at that. Here's the other side I didn't put on. It's too big. When you go to put it down, it doesn't have enough room, so it was blowing this bottom one off. So we just used the factory clamp, and now it is holding. We got the old power-driven diesel boost tester here by this whole little assembly part, and then you just attach on you a gauge. And look at this. 30 PSI. Everything was holding pretty good. No leaks at all. Don't hear a single thing. Even this bent intercooler is, it's good. Place that one. And now I'm just going to put the boost tube back on. And then next step is front bumpers. Put that sport bumper on. Pretty much this thing, you have to have a tool right here to take it off, which we don't have. So I'm gonna take this in to get it aligned, have the airbag light checked, have it kind of just looked over, make sure everything else is good. And I'm just, because he's gonna have to charge up the AC anyway, I'm gonna have a tech just replace this at work. That way, because he'll probably have the tool to take that off. You have to have this little like clamp thing that goes on there, and then you have to use a tool to like press it to get it out. I don't know. So we'll just have them replace that. It's super easy, just a couple bolts. He'll be able to get it off even with the bumper on. It'll just be slightly harder. So tomorrow we'll get these bumpers on and see how this thing looks. We got the sport bumper. The one I got this off Facebook Marketplace for like 180 bucks. But look, it has the factory tow hooks, and he gave me the mounts for it, but he doesn't have the actual hooks that go on right here that hook around. And but I had no clue how these go on. But look, we got this one on. These things are weird how they actually go on. Look, they go on like this. If any of you guys are wondering, they go into those holes right there. So pretty crazy, but we'll just put these on because later you could always, those are welded in right there. So we can always try to find a set of tow hooks somewhere, maybe on eBay or something, and make this a off-road sport, which would be really cool and really rare. This thing actually looks kind of like a truck. Look at that. Sport bumper. Obviously, we still need to put the hood on and the sport grill, but look at that. Freaking awesome. Coming together, looking like a truck. Look how cool that looks. That'd be awesome. Just drive around, see your old Cummins shifting gears. Man, let's put the other one on. Got the green truck put together. Going through the first car wash in it. This is right next to the house, so you know I don't got no plate, so we're just gonna get it washed for the first time, man. This is awesome. I didn't get the numbers off of here. I needed to do that. Guys, got it all together. Just washed it here at Cobblestone. Look at that. The yellow hood's so ugly, but it is finally all together after months and months. Look at that. Bumper all on. Everything's all on, and we just need to get it painted, and this thing's good to go. I'm so excited. Actually, we need to go get it inspected, get the thing registered, and then we can get it painted. And also need to get alignment, AC working, new AC condenser, and get the airbag light fixed. So those are the lists right now, but look at that sport. Can't wait till it's all one color. Interior, look how good it looks, all cleaned up. Got some floor mats for it. The backseat, got this door to work too. That leather, freaking awesome. Heated seats, it's so rare seeing heated seats, manual. So awesome.